Good morning. It is currently 7:30. How are we doing, guys? To be honest, this is the times I would like to be streaming. Within a JR over on YouTube. Kia ora everyone, yeah, it's 7:30. It's a public holiday, well not so much for parents around there. But yeah, that's why I'm early today. And this is what we're up to. So if you haven't been keeping up with the stream, we just fully designed the main part of the hoi. So I tried to do a little time-lapse video last night of this side over on the YouTube. So if you've checked it out already, much appreciated. Now to those that are on YouTube, let me know too, like, do you still prefer to see VODs as well? Should I do like VOD, edited version, and then a time-lapse maybe? Yeah. I'm liking the flow on that. Oh, thanks, cover. Yeah, so this one is I really haven't done two different designs on a piece before, like on a hoi. But I just thought to myself, you know, why not? Let's do it. And this is what we came up with. So this is Rauponga, and this is just your normal taratara hakai flow. So today what we're going to do is clean this up a little bit, and then if we have enough time in the day we'll add the notches, and it should be all good. Coffee in the morning, chat. Coffee in the morning. But how you guys doing? Hope yous are well. YouTube, let me know what you think of that time-lapse video too. I haven't tried to do a thumbnail. But a good morning to Zenvi Goku Meme Boy. Only the loan. What does that say? Yours, guy? What the fuck, Mandalorian? That's Boba Fett. You know the scene in the Boba Fett season 1 when he's carving his coffee stick? And these high-tech aliens show him, you know, high-tech tools. You know, they show Boba Fett high-tech tools, and it's basically just one of these wrapped in cloth. So that's what I wanted my starting soon thing to be. Does YouTube provide good cash? I don't know, I've just been streaming on YouTube. I haven't set up any donations or anything because I haven't really had any time to. I haven't seen that show, so I didn't get... Oh, really? Oh, I enjoyed it, and I'm not even a Star Wars fan. Mind you, I do like Mando and Boba Fett. Yo, Morena Crazy. What's up, my G? Look, my friend went, ooh, you got a new bike? Oh, I won't lie, I have been watching a lot more TikToks of road bikes. See, thank you for the 50 months, my bro. And I ain't even gonna lie, I think I like them more than Harleys now. Even though I was conceived on one. I saw I'm the river last weekend. It was beautiful. What's that about? It's 1:30 PM in Utah. Yo, JR, bro, I heard there's a lot of you know, our Asian cousins that stay in Utah as well. In Virginia, true. In all honesty, if I could, I'd start at these times. My streaming schedule would be like 6 or 7:30, 7:30 to probably lunchtime. those would be my ideal carving times, you know. Are we going to do the other side today? So, our plan today. Our plan today. We are going to be. So, one more time. I want to go over the whole thing again. So, give it the once over. So, that's what I want to do. So I want to give it the once over again. So I want us to, make sure everything's to standard. I want us to look over it. Even on this side, once it's done, then we'll add all these notches and that goes into the taratara akai. One moment, no wonder my hand feels naked. Sorry, Chet just had to go and put the goods on. Okay, what was I saying? What was I saying, guys? Oh yeah, Utah. Yeah, I heard there's like a lot of polys in Utah as well. Because I watched this one guy, his wife's from here, but he has like a Evo and everything on TikTok. And he talks about, life in America with his family. And he talks about like how rugby's there too. I was buzzing out at that, knowing how big rugby is in Utah. Thought it was pretty buzzy to see, not gonna lie. Oh gosh, we're missing the one chisel I need today. Where are you little bugger? Oh gosh. Every time, Chad, every bloody time. Sorry, I'm just looking in my pack. Oh, there it is. Boom. Okay. Oh. I just want to move myself closer to the stove. Are you gonna do? Yeah. So our plan today is to clean all of this up. Oh, what needs to be cleaned and straightened if it needs it. But I would say on this side there isn't really necessarily anything that needs to be done, other than this one line here that I'm gonna add. So I think yeah, this side's all good. So I don't really want to, focus too much on this side today. Everything that needs our attention will be on the other side. Also, guys, just an FYI. If you flirt with me in DMs, just know that I like showing my wife. And we have a laugh. I got a bit of a DM over the weekend, and it was an invitation. Bear with me, guys, to watch Tyler 1 together. Yeah, I was weirded out by that one. It's quite a lot there. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it was like, don't get me wrong, I know who Tyler One is, very big streamer, but to be invited by you know, girl, lady, whatever you want to call it, to watch Tyler One together, that's it's a bit of a red flag for me. I wasn't gonna blast it, but just know I don't wear this on my hand just for the looks. Yeah. Yeah, bro, it was weird. I was weirded out by it, eh? Like, everyone knows I like to, you know, surely everyone knows how much I love my wife. But, yeah, this ain't the first time it's someone's tried to flirt in the DMs, eh? Jammable. Brother, the wood carving is beautiful. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, so this isn't like the main part of the design yet. We have to put all the notches in all over. So that's the next thing we have to do. And then it's all, you know, set in stone, if you will. Flirting back with your wife should just tell me to piss off. Alright. Hello there, Baruto? Did I say that right? Kia ora from Koputo. Oh, yeah? Kia ki te ra, where's that? I'm gonna be honest, I think it's all there, eh? Hey, what's up, Tatsuki Waguma? Kia ora. My man is rolling with socks and crocs. You know the good life. Oh, bro. Gengar socks said that. Nah, I'm chill as my bro. I don't really, you know, have more than one pair of shoes. I've got one pair of shoes. Crocs, 2 pairs of Crocs. And some gumboots. Although I do need a new pair of shoes though, because the soles on my shoes that I use for everyday use in gym are starting to talk a little. They're starting to get a bit mouthy, if you get what I mean. Is that furniture? No, it's for a birthday, brother. It's for a birthday. Port Chalmers. I don't even know where that is. Been a while since I've been here. Oh, how you been though, brother? You good? Yeah, no, I don't wear safety boots while I'm doing this now. I'll go for comfort, eh? Feel fluid. Agile. How's life treating you? Life has been good, brother. Although, you know, last stream we had like some big momentum, but then my kid got sick. So I had to slow down. It's dumb, like it's a dumb when you start to get some momentum, and then you know, you have to life. But you all know how I am. Like, if my kids need me, I'll drop everything for them. But they're good now. And it's a beautiful day today. Definitely, my bro. It's 3:45 a.m. Should I sleep? You should have been asleep at 1 o'clock or 12. Sleep is good. You don't want to have eye bags. Just saying. Yeah, so we're gonna be pushing. I'm gonna be trying to push and stream more because TwitchCon is not too far away too. I'm still on the fence about it, but I want to try and push to save up for it. Because it's in San Diego this time? Or back in San Diego? Oh. So we're gonna be putting notches in today. That's the main goal. But yeah, I just wanna make sure, you know, it's these lines or these high are clean, which will make, you know, the process a hell of a lot easier. So, did you say Crocs? Yeah, brother. Nah, bro, as soon as I started wearing Crocs, I never went back to Jandals again. You ever get backaches? Yeah, now and again. Like, if I'm not, like, stretching out my posture, I'm just staying, you know, Notre Dame'd out. But yeah, that's something I need to keep an eye on. Definitely. Definitely, my bro. Straighten these up. So if you are new here, whether you're on YouTube or Twitch, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I have been since I was 12 years old. And this is what I've done all my life. All my life. All my life. Got 2 hernias on my back, so even thinking, oh really? Shit, my bro. Picky te ora. Yeah, normally, like, after, if I was, you know, if I have, like, some heavy carving sessions where, You know, not only the spirit's feeling it, but the body. I normally just roll it out. Stretch it out pretty much. Already morning and NZ. Yeah, we currently, oh, it's almost 8 o'clock, my bro. Almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Trust me, brother, if I could start at this time every day, these would be my times. So I like to get a lot done on the morning side of 12. I feel like, you know, I've been more successful with the utilization of my day. That's just how I've always been. I get it from my grandmother. Yeah, I definitely get it from my grandmother. That's how I've always been. Just try and get a lot done in the day. I don't really like sleeping in. Yeah, me personally, I feel like you know, it'd be a waste of day just sleeping in. I watched you on TikTok. Love the work, man. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much, brother. We'll go live with the TikTok live a little bit later. Do you plan on teaching your art to the kiddos? Not really. So I was taught traditionally. So traditionally in days of old, there were women weren't necessarily allowed to carve because our beautiful wahine, or you know, I'm acknowledging all women in the world, but within Whakairo and within my culture, women weren't necessarily allowed to carve. Mainly because, you know, they bring life into the world. And with Whakairo Maori wood carving, we carve a lot of those that have passed on. So our ancestors. Hence the reason why this art form and our women are so sacred. Tapu. Tapu is what we call it. Yeah, so you know, that's one of the main reasons why. But you know, modernization's a thing now. There are women carvers. But yeah, I was taught traditionally, so ideally no. But at the same time, you know, if my kids want to learn, I won't shy away from teaching them. The only times I'll tell them no is if I was carving a very very heavy carving that you know, if it's an ancestor, that's when I'll tell them no. Because you know, I'm pulling, when I do, you know, when I'm part of a project where we carve our ancestors, we're pulling all those old ways from the past into the present and putting it into the timber. And you know, it does take its toll a little bit. It does take its toll. I've been a part of projects like that, and yeah, normally just after work, after when I was at the carving school, I'd just get home and just be tired. Like, not only physically, but you know, spiritually, mentally, you know, those kind of things. We'll just need to like tone it down and give myself some time to come back to reality. But my daughters know most of the designs off by heart. Like, I just need to draw it and they know what it is. Just, just from seeing their dad do it. That's all it is. What in the bro, your safari? Oh, it's not too bad, my bro. I like the cold. Like, winter's my favourite season. Not a summer man myself. Trying to learn the ways. Oh, num he did. Kia ora, the man Peter. What's up, Gabby? What's up, Picnics? I do how you uphold tradition and respect your ancestors like this. Yeah, in a sense, I feel like we should, no matter what it is that we do when it comes to our culture. That looks dope. Thank you very much, Mike. Is it Mike Cokes? Did I say that right? Hope you all have a blessed. Sorry about the stunt. Any snow on the mountains yet? No, not yet. I think it only... We're like in the 3rd day of winter, so it's actually not that cold. Makes me proud of a culture I'm not even part of. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. Hey, you part of the stream, my bro, so, Well, that's the way I see it anyway. Everyone who watches the stream, supports the stream is pretty much whānau to me. I try not to say community that much because I don't really like that word. I feel like acknowledging everyone as, whānau, family, my Twitch fans, is more meaningful to me. That's just how I think about it anyway. So cheese it. Yo, thank you very much to Naveed. Brand new tier 1. Thank you very, very much for the aroha, my bro. I'll be back. I need to go and get a pencil and a rubber. One moment. Right, sorry guys. I heard women get possessed easier like Emily Rose, that's why. I don't even know who Emily Rose is. I think it's more so for the fact, that women bring life into the world. And it's not necessarily, two that should be mixed. Not so much possession. Loving the stream, brother. Keep up the positive and inspire a lot of people. I'll do my best, my brother. I will do my best. I'm just glad everyone's happy here. Koira te mea nui, that's the main thing to me. Alright, there we go. I'm doubting on firing up Baldur's Gate 3. Do Baldur's Gate 3. Karlek is the only right choice. Yeah, I actually enjoyed I really enjoyed Baldur's Gate, and I've never really been a big, D&D player. But that game definitely made me enjoy it more. And absolutely love it, bro. But yeah, Karlek was my main squeeze. She is. Then after that it was, so my second run through was Bazel. I finally get to see a Brock stream. Hey, what's up, Carl? Eagle Eyes Icthesi? Did I say that right? What type of wood are you using? So I'm using a native timber called Cody. My mate's playing. Yeah. That's definitely a variation I'd like to play. But obviously, being a dad and barely having enough time to game these days, I don't. So BG3 is the closest I can get to it. My fellow Karlek enjoyer, fuck yeah. Can't deny her sparkling birth. She's so good, eh? Even the acting, bro. Even Neil on Astarion. Funny thing is, too, he was actually in my city at one point. If I'd have known that, I would went to try see him. Just to say hello. But yeah, definitely Baldur's Gate surprised me, man. I didn't think I'd enjoy it. Yo, Appendix, thank you for the 10 months, my brother. Welcome back. How are you, my bro? Been gone for a while. Hope you're having well. Can't wait for Sparking Zero. What's that, my bro? Thank you for the Prime Appendix. D&D for years with a group of friends I've known since I was 14. Recently was made swap to Pathfinder. Yeah, Baldur's Gate is definitely peak, my bro. It's so good, bro. It's like really good. I actually wouldn't mind, playing it again, pretty much. It's one of those games I wouldn't mind playing again. But yeah, I played Paladin. I played a Paladin, and then I tried. What did I try after that? Fuck, I can't even remember. But that was my my Bazel run through. Hello from Indonesia. Kia ora. Hey, what's up, CEO? How are you, my G? Long time no see. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. How you been, brother? Hope you're well and healthy. I think we start adding our notches soon, chat. I think we shall. Been busy with tournaments. Oh, true. What's those tournaments, brother? Going to play Dragon Ball Monk. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, bro? What do you do with all the carvings once they're done? So these... so this carving and another one on the side of me. So this is all part of one commission. So just a little backstory on this piece too, or on this commission actually. It wasn't mine to start off with. It was my late uncle's. The one who taught me how to carve. So being his student, you know, naturally had to gotta uphold his legacy and finish it for him. And that's what I'm doing, brother. Just finishing one of my uncle's commissions that unfortunately, you know, he never got to finish. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I don't have a command, you just gotta ask me. Running to the pro. Oh, okay. Internships, I haven't been able. Hey, that's all good. As long as your internship has been going good, that's what we need to know. That's the $1 million question, my friend. Hold on, chat. Alright. Catch the stream next time. All good, my brother. Much love, eh? Always good to see you. Alright. I think we're ready. Okay, let me get my chisel. So what we're gonna do now is start adding some of these notches into this carving. Now this is where the design will slightly change a little bit, but this is like the main component of the design that's about to go in shortly. Alright, let me get this chisel. We are going to need a 13. There we go. So this is all we're using here, 13.6. That's what we're going to be using for our notches. So, the way I'm going to start this, to save time, we will do notches on one side, not all the way. Don't want to go all the way just in case we, we hit the wall, because we do not want that, not one bit. One. And then we'll use a skew to open them up. So I'm just going to do one side all the way down first. So this is Taratara Akai. Kai is the individual that's been spoken about in the word, and that's who this design is inspired by. It represents Kai's teeth. Now he didn't have veneer level teeth. He had a couple missing, if you get what I mean. And that's what this represents pretty much. These notches here. So once we've got them in, then we go back over them with a skew and we open them up, and that will give more to these ridges in the middle here. So they'll open up a bit more, they'll look a bit more, aesthetically pleasing, if you will. What are you carving? Ahoy, a pedal. There you go. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. So we're going to repeat this process all the way down. 1, 2, 3. Kind of see it opening up a bit there now. How we doing, guys? Is all good? Oh, the 6th day. Thanks, RP. Yeah, we're just adding in the first touches of the of the design. So we're just doing one side first, and then we'll go back over these and open them up with the skew. So I don't want to go too far, just so we don't hit our middle ridges. But yeah, we'll use the skew to take it a bit further. Hold on, chat. Might have to put these on an angle a little bit here so I can just hit these other ones. Looks great. Thank you, man. Why is this so therapeutic? If it helps, hey, I can't complain. Thing looks sick. Yeah, so what we're currently doing is a hoi. A hoi is a pedal, not so much used for, you know, pedaling whatsoever. It's just going to be more of a decorative piece for a birthday. That's what it's going to be used for, you know, more pretty much. But yeah, this is what we're up to. We're gonna smash this out. I at least want to try and get all of this done today. Well, that's the goal, I should say. That's the goal. That's what I've you know, got in my mind. If things all go well. YouTube, if you have watched the latest video, can you give me your thoughts on it too? I know it's a bit of a short one. Just a cheeky time lapse, but just wanted to see what you guys thought of it. And should I upload like 3 different versions? Like, I know there's a lot of VOD enjoyers. There's a lot of short edited clip enjoyers. I know there's a lot of like more time-lapse enjoyers. Just trying to be that guy and cater to everyone. Just trying to find that spot where everyone will be, you know, happy with what I put on YouTube. So that's one side done. Now, what we do now is do it all again, but from the other side. Making sure we mirror we try not to mirror the other sides because the other notches go in the gaps. Okay? In these gaps. Rockstream. Hey, nice. Damn, I actually wouldn't mind playing Baldur's Gate again, eh? It's incredibly intricate. It's taught. Jeez, how do I say it? So these Whakairo OBS is disconnected. Are we still here, guys? My internet just dropped out. Please tell me we're still here. Yeah, my internet just dropped out before, like briefly. Oh, we still here? We still here? Let me know, please. Still here. Oh, thank bloody goodness. That was annoying. Fanny McPhee saying Yowza. That's a different one. Alright. Alright, carrying on then. Thank goodness for that. So we're going to do the other side now. We'll pump that out. And carry on. Kia ora, Fanny, where are you from? Fanny Taranui. Thank you for all the heart spamming on YouTube. I have no idea what that does either. So keep in mind. I haven't really set donations up on YouTube. Thank you very much to Bergzor. Waiuku. Oh yeah. Kia ora, kia ora. Oh, welcome. Welcome, welcome. What's up, Meliodas? I haven't watched Seven Deadly Sins since the animations got shit. It's like they got one of my kids to do it. Alright. Ding, ding. Chocolate rain. Alright. Chocolate rain. Hey, what's up, Hardhead? My boy. How you, brother? What's your top 5 anime? One Piece first, One Piece second, One Piece third. I think you know where I'm going with this. Wait. Chocolate rain. Yeah, oh, I just love One Piece, brother. This is the only anime I watch. I don't really, watch 10 different shows in one day. Oh, I read it more though. Yeah, I definitely read it more. Alright. carrying on. I don't think I have enough life to spam watch One Piece. Oh, true. It's not that hard. But yeah, I think I oh, wrong chisel. I watch it. I read it more these days. Yeah, definitely read One Piece more. Just cause bro, it's been absolutely amazing. So much foreshadowing, but bro, at the same time, oh bro, I love it, I love it. Oda is him, my bro. Good morning, TikTok. How are yous? Kia ora, kia ora. Hello, hello. Alright. Yep, bit of an early start. Well, I started at around 7:30. Started out around 7:30 this morning. But, you know, that's actually the times that I'd like to be streaming, or starting actually. I like getting a lot of stuff done on the morning side of 12 o'clock, as I've mentioned before. I'm a night carver, I hate mornings. Oh, true, I love mornings. Probably, you know, when it comes to the day that, you know, I can buy a house with a shed with walls, I wouldn't mind doing a few night sessions. Just so, you know, people from all different time zones can enjoy the stream. Because I think that's the hardest thing that I want to try and overcome is time zones. I want everyone to at least, you know, try and enjoy a carving stream live. Well, that's my main thing I want anyway. Thank you, Will Gonzalez. What time zone are you in? Oh, I have no idea. New Zealand? Aotearoa? Will not be accepting any invitations to go live with people because I'm trying to carve. I could watch you carve for hours. Oh, cheers, brother. Love your work, man. Thank you, brother. Okay, let's get some of these done, eh? So we're just starting to get these notches in today. Well, the first stages of them. Still thinking about going to TwitchCon too, chat. Definitely the hardest part about it all is if I do go, I'll be spending my birthday on my own, so that's kind of the thing that's deterring me a little bit. Is that even how you say it? I have no idea. So TwitchCon is 21st to the 22nd. Yeah, my birthday's on the 23rd. So yeah, that's kind of the thing that's putting me off a little bit there. slightly, ever so slightly. Multiple gunshots in my area? I have no idea what you mean by that, huh? Cheers, brother Jackass. Yeah, so that's those are the things that I've been weighing up when it comes to TwitchCon right now. Cause I hear San Diego is much better than Vegas too. Like way better. San Diego seems like a real like coastal city too, from what I've seen. What's up, Jordan Ray on YouTube? Do you support a rugby team? The All Blacks, and I haven't watched any Super Rugby, so I can't really say. Yeah, I can't really say when it comes to a Super Rugby team. I haven't really watched the Chiefs in a while. Alright. So these are just the prepping, at the moment for the notches. I'm gonna go back over them with a skew, pretty much. Hi from Sri Lanka, kia ora. How's it over in Sri Lanka? Thank you, Andre. I'm loving this early start, eh? It feels good. Public holiday vibes. Almost finished, chat. I'll be with you shortly. And that's one side all prepped. So you can kind of see like where we're going with the design too. But we will need to go back over these with the skew pretty much. Cheers from Finland. Kia ora, brother. What's up, Blog Dog? Thank you very much, man. What does WSP mean? What's popping? Is that what it means? Sorry, I I gotta get the full word, eh? Call me a boomer. I'm not really up to date with lingo. Ooh. Took me 5 years to catch up to One Piece. 5 years? True. I know there's a place where you can watch all the episodes without all the fillers. My cousin that did that, she finished it in like, whoa, 2 days. She went pretty ham with it. But that's how invested she got into it. Thank you, Plummy. Yeah, I ended up going to the gym last night. I wasn't going to, but I was watching some of Jaden Lang's videos. He's a gym guy, bro. His energy, bro, is immaculate. Have you watched Vinland Saga? No, I haven't. I haven't really been watching any anime. The only one I've ever watched was One Piece. Like, I've watched a little bit of Solo Leveling, but as a whole, not really that much. Thank you very much there, Ryan Hudson. Oi. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it all identical on the other side too when we go on this side here. Thoughts on AI used with Maori art? I don't know. I guess it's you know, it's a bit cringe, but you know, at the same time you can't stop people from doing it. Yo, you girl Wolfie, thank you very much. What is this for? Our birthday. Kia ora from England, brother. Kia ora, bro. Jeez, what's the time in England? Can't hate this man. Oh, bro, you'd be surprised. Like, if I'm not streaming for a bit, like if my daughters are sick or, you know, I've got commitments outside of the stream, bro, I get a few of those kind of DMs, eh? You'd be surprised, brother. I even got unfollowed because I clapped someone in the Telltale Walking Dead games that they like. They legit unfollowed me. And I think me and Chet laughed more than that. Yo, Lucian and Wolfie, holy. Should get a t-shirt that says, what's the, half the comments cut off. Oh, touch wood? I got wood. Yeah, no, I've received some hate DMs and holy shit, Lucian and Wolfie. Yeah, they're pretty wild. Like even when I get sick and I can't carve, they threaten to unsub. Yeah, it's pretty wild. I think one of the biggest mistakes I ever made was when I started doing RP, and I kind of let them get to me because I was still relatively new to it. I let the hate chatters get to me, and I stopped streaming it. But yeah, obviously I'm not that same person now. I give no fucks when people get too invested in RP. That's when you definitely know they gotta go outside. Texas in the house. Ooh, cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. I love that song, man. I'd play it, but yeah, YouTube rules there. How do people hate this man? You must have. I don't know. Maybe it's because, you know. Maybe they like shitting on the toilet backwards. I don't know. And they hate on me because I use it properly. I don't know. Like even as you all know, being more open to subs because of my nan. Yeah, people don't like that, but you know it's something I expected to. That's why I say it. Like if you don't like me being more open to it, that's fine too. Just know that I won't change because it's the last thing my nan wanted me to be is more open and grateful, and that was the last conversation I had with her before she passed away. Fucking hell, you get me a fright.
Sorry. It's heavy. Yeah.
Funny. Sorry chat, that was my wife just putting kids' grenade in the bin. God, I hate getting a fright. Kozo. Is that a shield? No, it's part of a pedal. So we're just doing the main part now. Where are we? People out there, if they hate on you, yeah. At the same time, you know, I don't lose sleep over it. I love sleep. I feel like, you know, when people want to do that, kind of just leave them there to live their lives. Alright, YouTube, do you want this VOD as a time lapse as well? And the VOD in general? I'm still trying to find that sweet spot for YouTube, eh? Just like in terms of videos. I know they don't get much views these days, but still trying to figure out what to put on. The Not Rackin', thank you very much for the T1. Thank you very much, brother. Is there anyone on YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok that's buying Faker's $500 skin, and why? That's crazy, man. I'm still mind blown by that price, eh? For a skin, bro. Like, I'm not an Ari main. I know there's a lot of people that, you know, have Ari shrines hidden in their houses somewhere, but whew, I don't think I'd go that far. TBH. Yo, Delio, thank you very much for the raid on Twitch, man. Thank you very much, sir. I hope you're well. Long time no see. Kia ora. Looks really good. Keep it up. Thank you, Blue Skull. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Alan. How we doing? TikTokies all good? What's for lunch? Nothing right now. I haven't really thought that far ahead in my day. But yeah, we dieting, so it's probably gonna be something healthy. Alright. Here's something healthy. The rock dude from Marvel. No, that's not me. Better than Netflix. Ooh, I don't know, there's some pretty good shows on Netflix, my brother. Even I like a few of them. I just started watching Physical 100. Holy! Watching them makes me tired. I saw that Netflix is adding that Godzilla -1. I heard a lot of people like that one, eh? I haven't seen it personally. Didn't it win a award as well? If I remember correctly, I think I remember seeing an article about it. That's why I got so much praise. Question mark? Yeah, won an Oscar. An Oscar! Holy! It won an Oscar, bro. That's crazy. Oh, I didn't know it won something like that. Holy guacamole, bro. What did it win an Oscar for? I need to know. I need to know. Fuck, it actually won an Oscar. That's crazy. What an achievement, bro. Best visual effects? True. That's buzzy. Far out, it won an Oscar. Sorry, there. Alright. Back break. How we doing TikTok? This might be live. He's S-Fun's twin. S-Fun is good, people. I got to meet him at TwitchCon last year. He's a really good dude. Really good dude. I saw him at TwitchCon and BlizzCon. So I went to those like in 1 month pretty much. I just like OTK as a whole. Like that's definitely one org that I enjoy watching when it comes to, you know, some of the moves that they make. Yeah, I don't think I'd fit in any org, but yeah, if I had to choose one, it'd probably be them. Thank you, Lucian. Just taking a break from the carving for a bit. Can I buy your carvings? This one's actually for a birthday, so I have one, but I was gonna auction it off. And save the funds for TwitchCon or just for, you know, a house in the long run, because that's kind of my main life goal now since I've achieved the main one. Thank you, Lucian. Holy brother, what's up, sad turtle? I'm just in squat position, stretching out my back. But we Gucci, we Gucci. From North. Oh, well, true. Holy Lucian, calm your farm, my bro. What's up, my guy? What's up, Joshua? Fought the Battle of Jericho? Oh, yeah. Shit. Alright. Do you sell your stuff? Commission style. This looks bloody fantastic. Thanks, brother. See, yeah, you can see like a lot of these notches that we're adding all over the piece right now. That's kind of what we're up to at this point. So when we've done it all, then we move into, popping them out with the skew, just to open it up a bit more, but it also gives a bit more emphasis on these middle ridges too, so they'll gain a bit more space. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. That's where we're heading. Oh shit, I spilled some beer on my controller. Like you can type with your keyboard, my guy. Alright, let's do this. I might have to turn it around. Do you use driftwood? This is native. I haven't carved any driftwood. I should though. You find some pretty good pieces on the beach now and again. Definitely. Alright. Along the outside too? Nah, let's keep it in the inside. Do you mentor young folk? I guide them when they hit me up. I'm not a teacher. I don't like work at a school or anything, but when young Maori kids ask for advice, I won't shy away from it. I'll help them the best I can. I've had the chance to speak to quite a few students that are finishing up school and wanting to pursue Whakairo. And what I normally do is when they're interested in going to the carving school I went to, the main thing I tell them is work on your drawing. Like what I did to improve my drawing, I went to my meeting house and I drew every single carving in there. Hey, thank you, user, for the window. Thank you, brother. I have a question. What do you do when you do something wrong when you carve the wood? Is there a way to fix it? We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. All in all, you just leave it there, you know? It's, as Bob Ross would say, a happy little accident. Those types of things give your work more character, in my opinion, you know? No one's perfect. Shit out a gold egg, you might be perfect, but yeah. That's my stance on it all, to be honest. Just leave it there. Yeah. I've done it multiple times while live, and I'm just like, meh. Carry on. Like, there are methods to get stuff off. Like, if I happen to cut all this whole face off, right? Accidentally, but there's still timber there to do another one. But majority of the time, I will normally leave them there. Thank you, Zario and Kane. Sorry I can't donate. Brother, you make sure you look after yourself too. I appreciate the aroha, but all in all, put food in your stomach first. That should be the main thing you focus on, brother. All good. I think the bro's still cleaning his control on YouTube there. Some gangster socks. Yeah, it's Gengar. They're my wife's socks that I got for her birthday. I just needed some socks, that's all. So for my 30th, she got me 30 things. Like, just random things that I like. And for her 30th, I did the same. Alright. Should I remember you? Hey brother, what's up, Elias and Nostalgia? Thank you for the aroha. I think once we've prepped all of this, I might put TikTok up a little bit higher so I can chat with you a little bit more. This looks cool. Oh, thank you, brother. Yeah, so we're just adding another portion of the designing phase this morning. So that's been like the goal right now, pretty much. And once they're in, then we can open them up a bit more and get a bit more, emphasis on the design as well. And also the ridge in the middle. Sorry TikTok, I'm going to cover it a bit there, so I do apologise. Yeah, so we're live streaming on a couple platforms today. Once again, Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Do you have kids, bro? Yep, I do. I am a girl dad. Squirrel Dad. And yes, when kids, aka boys, walk up to my girls and they get a bit too close, I am that dad. I have nail appointments on the daily. I have tea parties on the daily. I also colour in quite a few pictures with my kids too. I love it, I love it. As stressful as it can be, I wouldn't change it for the world. Ever. What piece of carving are you most proud of? I'll be honest, brother. All of them, Brother Joe. All of them. There isn't necessarily one carving I'd put above the other. It's more so the memories and the people I was surrounded by at the time that I remember when I'm looking at previous work that I was a part of. Whether it's a big project, whether it was a small one. Those are the kind of moments I think about when it comes to Whakairo. Beautiful work, brother. Thank you, my bro. Kia ora from Australia. Hey, kia ora, brother. Show your face. I did. I just want to do this first, then I'll show my face. I'm not the type of person that hides it, you know. Only on the gaming streams on my gaming channel because I'm just too lazy to set the camera up. There's no reason why. It's just just leave the camera outside. Leave it outside. Well, not necessarily outside, but you know. Hence the reason why I don't use a cam on the gaming streams majority of the time. I'm just like, Yo, Depsy, thank you very much for the 18 months, my brother. I appreciate the Aroha, my bro, and welcome to the stream once again. What's up, Ichimaru? I turned a few streams ago and you were sketching the piece. The transformation is insane. Hey, thanks, brother. That's right, I remember, hey, we did an art stream for this. I actually enjoyed it, hey. I enjoyed the coziness of it. It was next level, I ain't gonna lie. I want to do it more. I definitely want to do it more. So what I'm gonna do is leave a gap here because I'm trying not to put notches on the outer parts of the pedal. Just to keep it clean. Thank you very much to Shano for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, brother Shano. Appreciate those that are using their primes on me today. Kia ora, kia ora. Alright. Notch is almost done, guys. And that's all the prep. That's all of it. Are these traditional? Yeah, traditional forms. I don't really like. Don't get me wrong. Contemp is cool too, but it's It's not for me. I guess everyone, each to their own. But me personally, I have always, you know, preferred traditional more. Should totally do a wild totem style carving. I've been thinking about it. Won't do the Tauran one or the High Mountain. I do like the troll mask. That's pretty cool. Good morning, TikTok. Hello. Here I am. How are you? Here I am, just use me and prove me to be worthy. All I have is this gift you gave to help me save my soldiers on the streets, yeah. Alright, what's up, TikTok? Good morning, Morena. How are yous? Kei te pēhea koutou. How are yous all doing? Yo, what song were you singing? Jeez, I can't even remember. I don't even remember what it was called. Wasn't it a Rebel Soldiers song? All I have is this gift you gave to help me save my soldiers on the streets, yeah. I can't remember. The Alt tab. All right. So I'm gonna talk to you for a little bit there, TikTok, while I'm pumping out these notches. It's just prepping them. What in the nix? Kia ora. Now we gotta do this, guys. Happy King's birthday weekend. Joe. Dopoli. Thanks, brother. Thank you very much, Brock Penrod. Thank you, Toto, for the window. Hope you're having a great day. Yeah, not too bad, brother. Not too bad at all. I've just been, I'm just happy I get to start early, brother. How yous doing, TikTok? Yous all good? How have yous been? I know it's been a while since since we last saw each other as well. Same with Twitch and YouTube. But all in all, hope yous are well. Thank you very much, Gumby, for the shamrocks. Going back to NZ in October. Oh, nice. Your carving career is kind of like the saying, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Yeah, bro. That's kind of how I've always thought about it, like in life. Definitely, bro. Yeah, like a lot of the memories I'm quite fond of when it comes to all the carvings I've done. Just the amount of shit talking with the boys, eh? So all the laughter, those are the things that I remember. Like, and obviously, you know, doing the actual work. But majority of the time, it was just, you know, work with the boys. Are you gonna design your daughter's 21st keys? I don't know. They might not even want one. I'm not really thinking that far ahead. I asked them, would you want a traditional one or one from Beardy Kills? I love Beardy Kills' work. They do 21st keys as well. Yo, what's up, Ollie? You skacks? How you been? Yeah, in all honesty, like it all depends, eh? It really depends. Do you want a baby lion? What the? Not really. It'll kill me in the long run, so probably not. Probably eat me for dessert in the long run, so ideally, no, I don't want a baby lion. Hey, looks good. Thank you very much, Alternative. Hey, bro, is there somewhere someone I'm going to be able to get a commission from you? Luke Peters, broxcarver@gmail.com, but keep in mind my commissions are full. And I only do traditional Maori wood carving. I won't be out here carving, you know, Android 18 front bum on. And I'll be honest, some people have asked. It's like, bruh, I don't carve naked anime characters. I'd rather just send you a vascular eggplant carving. You'd be surprised how much people ask for that. Hey bro, Kiwi in the UK. Oh, chill bro. Thank you, Alfie and Ryan. Hey, what's up, Priz? Hey, Oliver. What's your favorite color for a dragon? I think that it depends what kind of dragon you're drawing. Well, I tell you that much, boy. Thank you very much for the cowboy hit. Hold on, guys. I'm just doing this. So this is kind of the part of the design that might take the longest, you know, as we do all these notches. Thanks for the flaming hearts, guys. Become the number 466. What does that mean? Just making sure I'm keeping up with all chats. Just chilling, working as usual. Good to see you, brother Ollie. You should fish too. I do, but you know, I've caught more magic carp than IRL fish in my life. So it's obviously the fish's fault. Nah. Should put that in a CV, in my CV, if you know, there's ever a day where I stop streaming. Caught more magic carp than IRL fish. It'll either backfire or it'll be funny enough, you know, to work. 1,000 carvings. Have I done 1,000 carvings, you mean? What's your favorite color? Maroon, azure, and green. Those are my three colors that 1,000 carving. No, just 1,000 subs, brother. That's what I'm grinding for, and hopefully higher. Just getting back into the swing of things, you know. Keep the momentum going. Will I get to 1,000 carvings in my life? I don't know. Because I lost track about... Whew, when did I lose track? About 15 years ago. Yeah, 15 years ago I lost track. Thank you for the baby lion. What does a baby lion do? Thank you for the galaxy galvanize. Did I say that right? Sorry about that. Oh, is that what you meant by baby lion? I thought you meant like an actual one. Thank you very much for that. Sorry, bro. I'm like oblivious as. Yeah, I was wondering what you meant by that. I was like, poaching's not good. I mean, I do it back home when you don't have a hunting license, but I'm at home. Yo, Linzik, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, and Mo Azrael with right behind him with the Prime as well. Thank you very much, brothers. I remember one day it was all my grandfather. He's not around anymore, but we went fly fishing. And on the topic of poaching, that's all we were doing. He told, so we parked up one day down by the river, and so whenever like a ranger truck would come around the corner, I'd beep out 3 times just to tell him to like duck away and hide. And yeah, I may have forgotten, when I was young. May have forgot to beep 3 times, and yeah, he got caught. Thank you very much, Tim T, and I don't know how to say that, so I'll just do the emoji. Cheers, brother. Can we buy this stuff? You can. When my commissions open. So pretty much after this, there's a third carving that I have to do. So for my uncle's commissions. So just another reminder. This commission was given to me to finish off pretty much, because they were my late uncle's carvings pretty much, and being one of his students, they were given to me to finish. So he finished one pedal. I'll go and get there for you soon to see, and I'm just doing the last one, but there's another carving after this that I have to do as well. How's our battery on our laptop looking? Oh, not too bad. Do you do much hunting? Not these days. Like only when I have free time, which is barely ever. Damn. Whew. Thank you for the baby lion and the galaxies, guys. Sorry I missed that though, but someone told me, so you know, gotta acknowledge that. Thanks for the puzzle heart. Ooh, that's bougie animation. Is that a meteor shower? Bro, they got some mean notifications. Hey, thanks for the meteor shower, guys. Sorry about that, I'm just a bit... These animations are quite distracting, I must say. I'm gonna eat some watermelon. Hold on, guys. I'll just do this for a bit. I'll show you soon TikTok. I just wanna, have a chat with you guys first. And obviously, continue to talk to Twitch and YouTube. I know YouTube just kind of chilling right now. Are you the guy? Oh, jeez, it's going too fast. Yeah, I'm the. You don't have to, guy, if that makes any sense. Hey, Patty. Shout out to Scotland. Kia ora, bro. What is the time for everyone right now? Oh man, 5:30. Oh yeah. If you're watching at silly o'clock, like in the early hours of the morning, go to bed. Oh, please go to bed. Sunday. Hello from Texas. Hello, brother. How are you? If the net somehow cuts out, it's probably because my kids. It's a daily occurrence, Chet. I'll tell you that much. Almost there. Thank you very much for the aloha, guys. Sorry I was just a bit zoned in there. I do it all the time, man. I do apologize. Just get too into it, eh? You know that scene with Big Z when he's trying to find the board? Yeah, a bit like that. Yeah, finishing my uncle's pieces. Cherry Thunder. I don't have a PO box, Jason. I've thought about setting one up, but maybe not for now, because I don't live in a big house. And yeah, we don't have really, much space. Like if there's ever a time that we move into a house of our own or rent something a little bit bigger, I might set one up, but for now, probably not. This guy, hello. Rugby has made your hand shaky. I think you should go get that checked. Just saying. Just saying, brother. Might have landed on a nerve. I think that's the one thing I was wary of when I was in America too. Is getting injured over there. Because I won't lie, man, the health system over there is shitter than actual shit itself, in my opinion. Finally made it. Oh, did you? Sure. The one arc. Thank you for the Harry and Martin. What are you making? We're designing a pedal. Hey, thank you very much. So we're designing this, as you can see. I just want it to be like on eye level with TikTok for now, because you know it's kind of been a while. You watch rugby league? Just a little bit. Just been keeping up with the Cowboys recently. They're the favourite team of mine. Not gonna lie. Not really one to jump on the bandwagon myself, if you get what I mean. Nice hoodie. Yeah, it's pretty cold today, brother. Oh, it's not that cold. Like, it's bearable. Hence the reason why I'm in shorts. Well, I don't think it's that bad. What's up, Cyan? Happy to see you streaming. Yeah, I'm trying to stream more on different platforms too. That's been my main focus as of late. Just so holy shit, you're real. What? Holy shit, I'm real. Don't go to kick. Yeah, I'm good. Like, you know, I got a lot of love for Trainwreck's. I'll say that much, because he's the first, you know, big streamer that ever supported me on day one. Believe it or not, Train is actually an OG of my Twitch. He's been there since day one, pretty much. He's the guy that started the Bro XH meme. Was literally him. I was like, bruh. Bro XH? Bro XH? But yeah, I declined. I declined that call. Declined. That was random. Sorry about that, TikTok. It's hard to stream in 3 platforms, yeah, because I only got 2 eyes and I've got the awareness of a bloody rock. Thank you for the galaxy, brother. I don't have chameleon eyes. Finding Indiana Jones, thank you for the Optimus Prime. And sometimes I goldfish quite a bit and forget that I'm streaming on more than one platform. And there's the other case where I get too lost in the moment and forget that I'm streaming altogether because I'm so into the work. Maxino, thank you for the brand new tier 1, brother. Getting us halfway through the sub goal. Hold up. Just gotta do this to TikTok so they don't shut the live down. There we go, carrying on. Thank you very much, Maxino. Do you like burgers, especially free ones? But I'm trying to stay away from the burgers. Trying to be more healthier these days. I stopped drinking fizzies or soda, whatever you want to call it, in on the 28th. That's my unhealthy habit that I'm kicking for the month. Why? Just 'cause, why not? Just to give it a go. Although, you know, I drink a lot of water already. But yeah, I just wanted to try and do more healthy habits. Yeah. It is harder though because I like being big through the winter because it keeps me warm, but whew, don't know how you skinny guys do it, man. Because as I get smaller and smaller, oh bro, it gets harder and harder to stay warm. But yeah, it's so last night, Sunday, I was having like a chill Sunday. I wasn't really gonna do anything. I was editing, and then I started watching Jaden Lang's videos, all his videos, and then pretty much got pumped up to want to go to the gym. I was like, fuck it, let's go. And then I pretty much just went to the gym. And it felt good too. And it was a bit hard though because I didn't take any pre-workout. I don't really like taking that shit like late into the night. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. Because I'll be lying in bed and feel like I'm bloody Daruda Sandstorm. He's a Coke Zero addict. Yeah, man, he drinks a lot of Coke Zero. But I love his energy, eh? He's cool. I love Jaden's energy. One moment. Thank you very much to Josie for the Optimus Prime as well. And appreciate all the Aroha on TikTok as well. How we doing, YouTube? Oi. Don't be an egg is the funniest. Oh, you know, just don't be a. So to put it lightly, just don't be a fuckhead in chat. So I just said don't be an egg instead. I just gotta retie my hair. Oh, man. So that's the reason why that's one of my chat rules. Don't be an egg. Gotta have a bit of a NZ slang up in there. Alright, much better. Remember Jacinda? Yeah. Wait. There you go. Thank you, Cristiano and Ethan. Kia ora, kia ora. Where are we on here? Supporting others to go into the gym. Yeah, that's what I love about Jaden, eh? That's what I love about him too. Just how much how supportive he is of people that go to the gym too. And he's crack up as. Strong AF too. Much, bro. From what I've seen, you're a good person. My friend passed away last night, and I just want to say thank you for helping me through this with your content. First of all, TB19, condolences to you, brother, and obviously your friend's family too. And just know, brother, that whenever you watch the stream, and this is to everyone too that's listening right now that can hear me, like, if you're watching the stream, just know this is your safe place if it helps. You don't have to talk. You can talk if you like. But just know that, you know, anyone that's going through a tough time is welcome here. Just know that, brother. And once again, man, condolences to you. Thank you, Shumi, the bird, and Ethan. Kia ora. Where are we? Happy birthday. What's up, Nano? It's not my birthday, by the way. Thanks for spreading positivity and kindness. I think, ooh, seafood. I think we need to do more of that in this day and age. Especially with all the bullshit that's going on around the world, you know. It fucking sucks, man. Sorry to swear, but you know, I gotta tell it how it is. Thank you, Joshua and Buggy. Can you show what you've done so far? Sure. I'll just pop these out and I'll show you. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Just know, brother. Just know. What's up, Loskin? What's up, Polrick? Yeah, it's coming along, brother. It's coming along. I'll show you soon. TikTok. I just want to get these out the way. Just gotta keep an eye on my battery on the laptop too, chat. If you don't know, I've been streaming on a laptop that might just stop taking power all of a sudden for the last couple months. Yeah. We're getting by, we're getting by. So what I'm doing, so all the notches that you might have saw earlier at TikTok as well as YouTube and Twitch, we are slightly opening those up. That's what we're up to. Instead of, you know, leaving them slightly cut. Once again, hold on, just trying to find the board. Alright. Whew. Okay, let me show TikTok real quick, YouTube and Twitch. So this is what we've done so far. Thank you very much to Laser Beam, iLeg Fury, and Crafted Ed for the back Optimus Primes. Holy cow, which is a 19 out of 30 in today's daily sub goal. He's a bloody nuts, man. Thank you very much for that. Thank you for the aroha. So TikTok, that's what I've been doing. So we've just been opening these up, trying to get more emphasis on them. So you can see we still got some down the bottom here that haven't been fully cut out. Maybe that's better. Yeah, you can sort of see it. There you go. So that's all I've been up to, just opening up these notches. So I kind of just lightly cut them and going back over them with a skew to pop them out. Thank you, Scottish Ally, for the Optimus Prime too. Weather looks right there. Oh, raw, it's not too bad, brother. It's not too bad. Yeah, so that's all we're up to. And then yeah, we'll do the other side next. Well, we'll get the designing on the main part done today, that's for sure. Yo, Zombie Theory, thank you very much for the 5 bomb over on Twitch, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Far out. The aroha has been crazy lately, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, that's like when I couldn't stream last week Friday, I was a bit gutted because, you know, we were picking up on momentum, and when that happens at the stream, I just want to keep going harder and harder, just for you guys, because I feel like that's what I need to do, just so everyone can enjoy the stream more. I feel like it's a necessity. When momentum picks up, more people drop in. And I must say, I gotta say this too, I'm glad I stopped gaming on my channel. I'm so glad I stopped it and made another channel specifically for that. I must see how much Not Brox is up to as well. Thank you very much to Jazzy Baby for the 100 corgis. Kia ora. Thank you, Zombie, once again. Play CS2? No. I think I'm well and truly done with competitive games. Just when I get that little itch to play either Fortnite or Overwatch. Thank you for the galaxy, brother. But I think as a whole, CSGO, Call of Duty, League, Valo, you know, any of those type of Riot games where kids are going to tell me their parents work for Riot and ban my account, you tell your mum and dad, okay, man, because you are the third person that told me that your parents work at Riot. It's probably why they play Smolder all the time. Thank you, Keegan and Josh. Thank you, Josh Oliveira. Yeah. Kia ora from Denmark. Kia ora, my bro. I don't exactly go to the gym, but I go to the... Some friends 2 to 3 times a week. I've wrote most of the Pathfinder group. Going, oh, true. Bro, one thing I want to try as of late is rock climbing, eh? I feel like it'll be really, really good, like, upper body training. I'm contemplating doing 75 hard as well. I really want to try it, but I want to do it with my wife. Just I'm seeing if she's keen to do it. I just any bookworms got any suggestions on good self-improvement books? Because I think you got to read something that will help in life in terms of books. Now keep in mind the last book I read was the Book of the Five Rings. That was the last book I ever read. Morena Zen. Brandon Haru? Yeah, he's a producer, ain't he? Yeah, I need some book suggestions. Because I really want to do it, just to see what it's like. You gotta do one outside workout, just something outside, whether it's walking, etc., etc. Then the other one's inside. You gotta drink 3 liters of water. I mean, that's easy for me, water enthusiast, or water drinker, I should say. Is that a good book, eh? Morena, Where No Birds Sing is a good book. Oh, kia ora. Yeah, it's gotta be like I don't know too much about books. If you tell me to read 10 books, I'll probably say, I can tell you more about timber than 10 books. David Goggins, that's that hardcore guy, eh? Yeah, I just need a self-improvement book. I was looking at accounting, but I was like, I'll probably just use it to start the fire inside, to be honest. Me and that kind of stuff. No. So I leave it to the wife. Yo, what's up from Jamaica? Hey, what's up, brother? All the way from Jamaica, eh? A few people have suggested Atomic Habits. Yeah, quite a few people have. Albania, kia ora. Scotland in the house, kia ora, kia ora. What's the small V you use for your servicing? 12.6 or mind you, I use big ones too. I use a small V to do, or a big V to do small cuts as well. It just depends what I have. 12.6, have I got anything smaller than that? I think so. I think my, one of the bros is borrowing it at the moment. But yeah, I used the big V to do all of this. That's what I had. Hold on, TikTok. Is your big V a 13? I got 13s and 12s. I don't necessarily use 13s or any high. Just I use the 13 for the notches though. Hey, that was cool. What's up, my brother? Have a blessed day. You too, my bro. I'm trying to keep up with a few chats right now. Are there any NZ Twitch events coming up? There isn't necessarily any of those here. The closest one to an NZ Twitch event will probably be Armageddon. It's like just a big convention type thing. I haven't been to one of those in years. I'd say if I had to choose what conventions I would go to this year, it's probably either going to be TwitchCon or PAX. You get a lot of, you know, streamers from here complaining that Twitch doesn't do anything for NZ, but at the same time, you know, you gotta think about them as a business. Would it be relatively worth for them to do something like that? That's how I see it. I think people complain too much when they should be, you know, working together to do something. You don't need Twitch's help to do Twitch events and stuff. That's just from what I observe. I kind of observe people's complaining more than saying something. And seeing if, you know, they figure out a solution. But yeah, the amount of people that get pressed that Twitch doesn't do anything with NZ. And because it's a small community too. Like in terms of renowned streamers in the country compared to, like, say for example Australia, it'll definitely outweigh. Like the biggest streamer in the country is Quinn. He pulls in the most views in the OCE region in my opinion. Definitely him. Yeah, that's my opinion anyway. A lot of people don't like Quinn, but you know, gotta give the man his flowers. He's definitely the biggest streamer in our country. From Algeria, kia ora. Hi Dima. Sorry guys, I was getting lost in the design again. I do apologise about that. Alien Whippery, yeah, I don't really listen to too much heavy metal in the gym, to be honest. You'll catch me listening to the Bee Gees though. Or Barry White. Would be dope to get some content together. Yo. I think something I've done or been doing, I just kind of just been staying in my own lane, eh? To the point where, you know, kind of like building your brand, if you will. And I think it's to the point where, you know, the name Brooks is a bit of a name now. Which is good, you know. Yo, Thunder, thank you for the 47 months too. Have a great day, man. I'll see you later. I'll see you later too, brother. Have a good one. Where you at? Outside. Yeah. Mustache. Just keeping up with the comments too. Number 44 on TikTok, by the way. What does that mean? Like, is that rankings? Is there a way to check like the rank system or like world rankings when it comes to TikTok? If that's what you're talking about. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I'm still relatively new to TikTok lives, I feel. I've been invited for like TikTok battles and I'm like, nah. I'm good. I normally can normally catch me logging off all my socials after stream. That's normally what I do. Almost 5. Karepa, thank you for the 20 months too, my bro. Morena. And Red Plastic Mug, thank you for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime. Hey, what's up, Uzo? How you, K-Dot? Yeah, I know there's a lot of like controversy around these TikTok battles too, like. But I just rather not do those. It doesn't seem very fun to me. When you could be doing something fun, productive. Yo, what's up, Fix? How you been, brother? Thank you for the 49 months too, my bro. Bro, you carved greenstone. No, I haven't. Thank you, Dima and Nagato. Not in a long time. Yeah, not in a long time. They said that, yeah, I've had the Kia ora emote for a while. Yeah, for a long time. Who did that for me? It was... Fuck. I remember his name. He doesn't stream that much now. Fuck, the name's right there, but I can't think of it. John Dory moment. Sorry, TikTok, I'm missing your comments. Right to Twitch and YouTube too. I'm at the end, so I kind of just want to get it out of the way of the first section anyway. There you go. Where are we? Okay, just making sure we're all in the right place. Let me just blow my nose real quick. Oh yeah. Can I buy these? Not specifically this one. It's commission though. I normally just do commissions. Thank you, Dima, for the music and Nerd. Amazing work. Thank you very much, Tuahine. Where are we? Hey, how you, Red Daddy? Sure, brother. That side of the carving looks good, Brox. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's all done now. Like, all of this is done, so we move on to the middle. Move on to the middle now. I'm probably going to bring TikTok back down soon just to watch some more up and close. Trying to figure out an IRL stream to do this week too. I still got to do a Hangi stream, eh? You just want to see a Hangi mukbang. Hey, what's up, C-Dubs? How you, brother? I'm glad he's still the same as yours back then. Oh, I wouldn't say I'm the same. I'll say the waist has gotten a bit bigger. Are you using Restream to double stream? No. I can't remember what it is. It's I got it off my manager. Been a while since I've been able to catch a stream. Oh, what's up, brother? No, I can't remember what the app's called. Yeah. Best streamer. Oh, I'm okay. I wouldn't say I'm the best. I would never claim that I'm the best anyway. Yo, pub and subs, thank you very much for the brand new T1. We have officially hit the daily sub goal of 30. Thank you very much, you bloody giga chads. Thank you. I will promise to push the momentum this week. I don't want to slow down. I want to keep it going. Even on my gaming channel too, even though that's our, our chill Fortress of Solitude kind of streams there. But I want you all to know that my gaming channel is on Twitch is affiliated. Oh, I haven't filled it out, but yeah. Okay, what happened? Lorenzo, thank you for the brand new T1 as well. And Rip Start with the brand new T1. Holy, what's going on today, man? Bro. I gotta say, man, I'm so glad it was such a good decision to stop gaming on my channel. My main channel. Because I kind of sat there thinking about it one night and I was like, it made sense when I kind of thought about it, people come to see the woodcarver, not the gamer, majority of the time. I know there are those that are, just will join the stream no matter what I stream, but yeah, it was a good decision to make in my opinion. Soundiest guy, kia ora. Was that during Diablo? No, this was recently. You subscribe a great channel. Thank you, Mr. Zamir. Yeah, once again, I just uploaded a time-lapse video on YouTube. Just a short one, just to see if you guys like it or not. We'll most likely chop this up into a time-lapse too. Chop it right up. I might upload a cheeky VOD just to see how it does. Because I know a lot of people still appreciate the VOD content too. A lot of truck drivers reaching out for new VODs, which I thought was pretty buzzy. We're from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Thank you, Gavin and Henry. Don't look. Sorry, I'm married. No, thank you. I will deny that kiss emoji. Just know that if you flirt with me in DMs, I normally show my wife and we laugh together. The latest DM from a lady was, do you want to watch Tyler 1 together? Yeah, that was my weird meter was peaking when I saw that. I was like, okay. Yeah, just FYI, I don't wear this on my hand for the looks. It's a commitment that I'm very committed to. Yeah, it's like, Hey, thank you very much for the boxing ring. How long you been married? 2 months now. Yeah, I think 2 months. Where were you these years? Glad to see you back, bro. Where were you these years? Streaming? Same as usual? Where you been? Yeah, I've been married for about 2 months. Should have seen me in the gym when I was doing my arms. I'll go. I'll be, doing the shoulder and then I'll go ping. But yeah, I've gone out of that phase now. Apart from my ancestral heirloom that I have, my wedding ring is probably the only other prized possession I have. To be honest, yeah. Found you through TikTok. Hello, John. How are you, brother? How are you? How did you and your wife meet? Well, it all goes back to a party. A party with one of my good bros at our koro's house, our grandfather's house. This is how I met Mrs. Brox, by the way, guys. So we were all drinking, having a merry time. And the way I met her is I heard a large crack sound. You know those plastic chairs everyone used to sits at barbecues and whatnot. There's one of those chairs, and she tried to sit on it, not knowing that one of the legs was on the ground. And me being me, I looked at her, pointed at her, and laughed and shamed her out. I mean, you're sitting on a chair with 3 legs. Little did I know that we'd, get together. Yeah, I kind of shamed her out at the party. And I retired for the night. Went to sleep on the couch, and she was in the lounge too, just waiting for her sister. And I was doing one of these ones, pretending to be asleep. You know those ones? Just checking her out. I went, oh, okay. But I didn't do anything that night. I ended up adding her on Facebook, and we were talking for like couple months, and yeah, a couple months later we got together, and well, we've been together for 9 years. Got married 2 months ago. Have been parents for about 5 years to 2 beautiful girls. He drove me up the bloody war. Yeah. So that's how long I've been with my wife for 9 years. Been together. 2 months as, husband and wife. Marriage is something I always thought of, in my life, and I always knew that I was going to marry someone, not sure who it was, where, when, but yeah, she's been my wife for 2 months now, and I'm not afraid to tell the whole world that I love her, pretty much. Yeah, I'm not the type of person that I'm too cool to, express how I feel. Fuck that. Don't be a pussy. Yeah, I love her. Yeah, that's how I met her. Happy for you, bro. Thank you, man. And we haven't really been on our honeymoon yet. We're kind of saving. We're gonna go somewhere local. No, nothing crazy. We'll probably try and go to Queenstown. Just for a few days. Not too long, just a few days. But yeah, I love my wife. She loves me, so I can't really complain. But yeah, she's just as stubborn as I am, pretty much. You should see the kids. Whew. Oh, you won't, but you know, you get it. You get what I mean. Became 540. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. 800 likes, W Tret. Oh, how much? I don't even think I have that much battery left either. I've got 22% battery left, chat. Could someone purchase one of your ores? Yeah, I actually want to get back into carving more of them because I haven't carved them in a while. Probably not this one because, yeah, it's for someone. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting back into it. This is probably... It's really refreshing being able to carve a pedal again, eh? But remember, they're not for to be used. They're more decorative, pretty much. They're more of a decorative piece than anything else. Thank you very much to a 6-7 for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime as well. Kia ora, brother. I'm glad you have a lovely family life. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, so on my side of the family, it's you know, not as good, I would say. It's always just been me and my mum and my nan. I think my family started drifting apart from each other when our grandfather passed away, or when my grandfather passed away. This was years ago. He passed away relatively young. Like, I think he was 61 when he died. He's 61. And me personally, I feel like my family still hasn't recovered from that. Hence the reason why we're so distant now. But what I love about my wife's family is how tight knit they are. It's definitely something I admire. Definitely. Oh, Messi, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I appreciate the Aroha, my bro. And something I admire a lot about my wife too is how much siblings she has. That's a feeling that was unfortunately taken away from me at a young age. I wish I knew what it felt like to have, you know, growing up with a sibling. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't have that privilege. Or I did, but you know, I was young as. But yeah, unfortunately, you know, that's how life goes sometimes. If you're not a usual on all these streams, chat, I'm pretty open, eh? Like, I'm not scared to talk about. I'm not scared to be straight up. Like, I admire people with siblings. It's It's yeah, definitely something I wish I could have experienced growing up. Hold on, chat. Without a doubt. Thank you very much to King of Dink for the 1,000 biddies, brother. Hope you're having a good day. Oh, brother, I started at 7:30 this morning. Who says it? Is it? No, it's not Future. Is it Quaver? Life is good. Life is good. Thank you, Robs and Day. So intricate, man. This is awesome. Keep it up, buddy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we just finished one half. We finished the center, and then we're moving on to this half. This half here. I will try and stay on TikTok as long as I can. Just know I usually just stream my TikTok lives till the battery gets flat. Then I normally just carry on Twitch and YouTube. Whew. Yeah, on TikTok now. I've been doing TikTok lives for a little bit now. Yeah. I'm trying to multi-stream more, pretty much. Yo, thank you very much to Terminator for the 49 months. I'm nearly middle-aged. How are you doing, my bro? Glad to see you. Hey, cheer, brother. I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. So I'll show you shortly TikTok. And also King of Dink, thank you for the 6 months in advance as well, brother. Kia ora, kia ora. Do you varnish or wax? I normally like varnish my work pretty much. Sup, some guy? What are you listening to? Lo-fi. That's like stuff that won't get, flagged on YouTube. I asked the bro, Smokey got beats if he had any. He's a producer. And I normally just use his music for YouTube and all that. I'm gonna try make all the edited stuff about 8 minutes now instead of like 14 or 15. See how that goes. I'm just still trying to find what would fit me, for YouTube. I don't think the time lapses are the one because it's flopping harder than OG Mudbone. But you live and you learn. Smokey, you definitely had some. Yeah, Smokey's the man. I love watching his streams when he's live too. Looks like he's in a better place in life. Who, me or someone else? It's still hard to keep up with this chat, eh? What country is this? So I live in the southern hemisphere, in a small place, or in a small country called Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Right down here. Right down on the bottom of the earth, my bro. Never know, you might bloody fall off. But yeah, that's where I live, brother. Love my country no matter how shit or good it is. I can't really see myself living in any other country. I feel too much of a disconnect between, you know, me and the land itself. That's how I felt when I was in Vegas for like only like 5 days. I started feeling like really disconnected. But lucky enough, there was only like a trip. Miss NZ, oh, it'll always be here. Yo, King and Dink, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, bro. How come the notification didn't go for you? That's a bit rude. With me and my girlfriend, love the detailing. Hey, thank you. Raven man and Raven wife. Oh, Raven girlfriend? Sorry. Not trying to foreshadow. Sorry. I'll leave all the foreshadowing to Oda sensei. Yeah, I want to get this done today. Thank you, King of Dink. If you did get a gifted sub at all today over on Twitch, please say thank you. Thank you very much for the Galaxy Zoo. I saw you in my peripherals. Really. Thank you very much. Sorry about that. What's up, brother? How are you, bro? Are you Sigma? What does that mean? This ain't a Sigma nuts dick joke, is it? I don't know, man. Some of these comments do. Sigma nuts or anything like that. Is this a dick joke? I don't keep up with the lingo. I'm too busy playing Mop Remix. I don't know what that means, eh? Yo, what's the time there? It is currently 10:26. See, man, I've done so much before lunchtime. That's what I love about starting early. So, what are you making today? So, this is a hoi paddle. At the moment, we're currently designing like the main part of the paddle. It's just came from TikTok. Oh, kia ora, brother. We're mainly it's mainly for decorative purposes, for a birthday pretty much. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Hello from Norway, kia ora. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok as well, guys. We're at far out a week, 950. Is that 950 likes? Holy cow. Yo, Gethin, thank you for the Optimus Prime too. And Igloo Pack and Heat far out. I can't even read. Thank you for the Optimus Prime too. Cheer, brother Elastic Man. How you been? No, it's not a naughty paddle. Jeez. It's only 10:27 in Aotearoa and you're being degenerates already. Goodness. It's not one of those paddles. Jeez, and that's Chat's EMS saying that. It's too early for that talk. Almost nightmare, mate. Not in this bloody stream, mate. This guy's the nicest guy to ever exist. Oh, I don't know. Yo, well, thank you very much, user and penguin. Lion. Penguin. Lion. Penguin. That video always gets me. You know what song I feel like playing right now while I'm carving? Bartender by T-Pain. Cause I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink. I love that song, eh? I love that song. Hey, 1 million! Far out! Thank you very much for the galaxy, Mr. Cockburn. Now those are the names I noticed straight away. Thank you very much for the 1 million likes on TikTok once again. Far out, bro. That's redonkulous, man. Brock says, it's a level outside of the alpha me. I don't know. What's the difference between the alpha and the sigma? The word itself or what? Thank you very much to Sean and Aiden. Far out. We had 1 mil, guys. Not me. We. What are you making? A pedal. I'll just do this row and then I'll show you. One moment. Sorry if I'm missing comments. I haven't forgotten about you. She did not spoken properly. I'm at the bartender. Ah, that song is stuck in my head now. I'm at the bar with her. Oh, okay. We're still working on the main race chat. We're not finished here. We're still going. I want to get these all done today. I'm not turning the stream off till we get these done. Alright, TikTok. And 8. You can kind of see it, eh? Here we go. Hey, I wonder if like the glasses will go on this face. Oh, it's gone. Hey, ducky. Thank you very much. So this is what we've done so far. Daily number 34. What does that mean? Is that like a ranking system? So this is all we've done so far on the Taratara Hakai. So I've almost finished this whole section. We're almost done, and then after that we move to the head, and we'll clean the back, and then I normally save like the handle and the end for last, just so it can still sit in the vice nice. So that's the main thing, because we want it to sit comfortably pretty much. That's the main thing. That's tough. Oh, kia ora. What's that thing? It's a hoi, a pedal. This is for our birthday. So that there. So you can kind of see it. So with this head too, this is like one head I've done many times over. It's a ruru or owl, but a bit of a twist on it. There's about 3 faces in one, so you can see you there. We'll do the one on the sun side, so you can see a side profile one. There's the nose and the eye there, and then the full face, and then same on the other side too. So it's like 3 faces in one. Simple design, you know. Keeping it relatively simple, pretty much. And yeah. Kiwi accent is sick. Oh, bro. You want to hear the Maori aunties with the laugh? It ain't the best. Alright, TikTok. My phone is about to die. If you would like to carry on watching the stream, it is okay if you don't want to as well. You can either jump over to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Brox_, or you can jump over to my YouTube. We're getting closer and closer to 500k too on there, so thank you very much for the support on YouTube as well. I will have to end the TikTok stream here. I do apologize. I wish I had a battery pack. Maybe I should invest in one, probably. But for now I have to live and leave use TikTok. Once again, thank you very much for tuning in. Twitch.tv/Brox or YouTube.live. I have no idea what that one will be. Just go to YouTube and search my name. I'm currently live there too. So we're getting closer to 500k subscribers on YouTube as well. So much love. Thank you very much for joining in. And yeah, I'm trying to do more live streams on all 3 at the same time. Mainly just for Whakairo though, nothing else. Like I won't do gaming streams, or maybe a little one here and there. But for now, yeah, either Twitch or YouTube. It's up to you. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok today. 1.1 million likes. Bloody crazy. 2.6k people watching. But it's more than both my other channels right now. But thank you very much. Much love, TikTok. And yeah, either Twitch or YouTube. I'm going to carry on. I don't want to stop streaming till this is done, pretty much. And I will consider myself satisfied, you know, for the day. So bye bye TikTok, love yous all, and I'll see yous around, Cheer cheer. See ya. Okay, did I do it right? I did it right. Yay, I did it right. I need to get a battery pack, you guys. I think a battery pack would definitely help so we can stream it longer. Definitely. Okay, let's carry on. I don't want to stop the momentum, guys. I want us to carry on. Keep pushing. And finish this up as well. But how are we both doing, YouTube and Twitch? We good? I hope you are enjoying the stream too. I'm trying to get better awareness of both chats. Of all 3, sorry. So if I do miss your comments there, I do apologize. I have the reaction time of a rock being thrown by someone without a throwing arm.
Got here from TikTok. Hey, appreciate everyone going over to YouTube too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Means a lot. Rox, I started following you a long time ago after seeing your kindness. But I will always remain a follower because of your good spirit. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate the love, my bro. It would be funny if you put the link for the community to buy you one. Buy me a what? Battery pack? No, I'm sure there's one in the house somewhere. No, there's no need to be doing that. I'll just have 200 hectares instead. Nah. Joking, joking, joking. Sorry about that. Woo! Just found out about him on the Twitch clip. Oh, what's up, Zen? Just got here from TikTok. Thanks everyone that went over to YouTube too. I definitely when I work on another video this evening, put one out. I attempted to make my own thumbnail. I'm trying to be I learned it all myself because I think it's a useful skill to have too in general. Me personally. But yeah, try and relatively keep everything quite simple. I guess I just like simplicity, eh? It's just me. Not really into like all the flashy stuff. Yo, Finling, Twitch, I think he's broke my sub alerts. Oh, Shiitake, man. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother Finlay. And then brother John coming in with the 10 bomb. What in the actual is going on right now? Yous legit break my Twitch alerts. What the hell? And yous have kicked my sub goal in the ass twice over now. Holy. Far out. I need to go hard because next month is gonna suck. But thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Shit. And also over on YouTube as well. And TikTok today. Far out. You deserve it, my bro. Oh, appreciate the love, man. Came from TikTok. Hey, it's your brother John. Appreciate you jumping over too, my bro. If you did come from TikTok on either one, please let me know. I know a few have already said. But thank you very much, guys. Yeah, I really want to get this design finished today. And then we can cut it up. Time lapse it. For everyone's viewing pleasure. Oh god, I'm going Big Z again. Sorry, chat. I do apologize for going Big Z moment again. When I saw my blurb alerts out, I need to trying to find the board as a sound alert. Mean clean hoy? I want to get it cleaner than it already is, to be honest. Thank you, John, for the 6 months in advance as well, bro. Far out. Came from TikTok and the first time seeing you. Absolutely love the vibe and your enthusiasm. Hey, I appreciate that, my bro. Glad you enjoyed it, brother. Yeah, I'll try and sort out a IRL stream this Friday. I know a lot of people still want to hangi mukbang, but just know I probably won't get it fresh out of the steam vent or anything like that, or the ground. A hangi is quite obtainable here. So if you don't know what a hangi is a ground oven, or a way my ancestors cooked their food. So it's normally a ground oven. Here though, they utilize the geothermal. So we'll get one of those and eat one of those on stream too. And we should be giggity good. If that was a sneeze, that is yeah, bro. Yeah. This is so relaxing to listen. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, I normally get messages, like appreciation messages quite a bit too, like how they love the stream, and it's become like routine for some to watch before they start their day even. So it makes me feel accomplished knowing that people do that, and it, even people saying that it's like a form of meditation for them, of how cozy this place can be. Definitely. So I kind of take pride in that, eh? Knowing that. And I just want to deliver more and more. To the best of my ability, I'd say. Yes, almost done. Yeah, buddy. Looking good. Thank you, brother Hardhead. How are you, my bro? Love your work. Thank you, Potato. You gonna do a cooking stream soon? I'd love to. I wouldn't know what to bloody cook though. Water. Bro, my meals, bro, are pretty basic, eh? Like steak on its own. I don't really cook meals. Only like try and make dinner for my kids, and that's about it. Protein and porridge. I love my porridge though, bruh. I'm glad my youngest is the same too. Appreciates the simple breakfasts. Right, porridge, brown sugar, cream. That's what I used to survive on back at home. Oh, I loved it, eh? Yeah, my youngest is she's the one that's not fussy, pretty much, my baby. What is that? Cody. Is it? It's either Cody or Totara. It's yellow, but at the same time it has a tinge of red in it. But it's a native. Not gonna lie, bro, porridge is beautiful, especially with some shredded coconut. Ooh, that's bougie. Tell me more. Flirt with me more. What's your go-to with that? Shredded coconut. Not gonna lie, I do love the coconut. Oh, okay. Flirt with me more, brother. Coconut flakes and... Because I will probably try this. Coconut flakes, eh? Interesting. I'm very intrigued by that. Do you have to be Maori to do the style of carving? Yeah, it is Maori wood carving, so ideally. But you know, there are institutes out there that are open to teaching everyone. But like, from me as a person, you know, if you want to try it, try it. Pour some shredded coconut, a few hazelnuts and walnuts. Let me just take a photo with my phone, because I want to try that. Interesting. Oh, my phone's too flat to take a photo. Okay, I'll visually try and remember that. Greeny, what's up, brother? Thank you for the 3 months as an Optimus Prime. How you been, brother? Maybe a few berries in there. Oh, yeah. Where you streaming from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Yo, Puxel, thank you for the Optimus Prime too. Holla, where you streaming from? Yeah, from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I'm almost done, chat. Oh, it's just here. Yeah, it's just this one. And I'm done. Yeah. Not too bad from a Destiny 2 player that eats crayons. Yeah. I told you I'd keep my promise. Yeah, buddy. Toko. That eats. Oh, there's a meme, you know, people that play Titan on Destiny are crayon eaters. Like people that play hunters is like the slick guys, and warlocks do the big DPS, and people that play Titan and go, I've got big hammer, I make you go squish. You got Instagram? Yeah, brother. Brox, under the name Brox, brother. I love the socks. Yeah, they're my wife's ones. I got her for her birthday. But I was in a hurry and I needed some socks. And here we are. Done. Okay, the plan tomorrow. Not saying I'm going to shit. Just bear with me now. The plan tomorrow. Head. Gonna be doing the Ruru tomorrow. Gonna be doing that. But I need to get a rubber out all the pencil marks. But yeah, I'm glad we got this done today. Hell yeah, brother. Feels good, man. It feels good, man. About to pour some wine and settle in. It's raining and I can hear. Oh, bro. That's therapeutic. Yeah, so essentially, hard hat. That's what what the actual. Greenie, how are you gonna buy more wine? Nah, the cherry crowns are the best. What the fuck? Thank you very much for the 50 bomb, Greenie. Bro, my sub goal today just got its back blown out repeatedly on a couch. Holy Greenie, thank you very much for the 50 bomb, bro. What the hell? I do apologize, notifications are kind of balked at the moment. I think a lot of people went hamburger today. Please give Greenie a thank you if you did get one of those. Please, please, please. Thank you very much, Greenie, for the 50 bomb, bro. And to everyone that subbed before Greenie too, I appreciate that, man. Thank you very much, guys. We keep pushing forward. I'm going to do the best I can for you guys. Not because I want to, it's because I want to and I have to, you know. But I'm glad we got that done today. F Pig, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. I'm glad we got this done, man. Ah, it feels good. It feels good knowing that this is all done and it's all done. Thank you, Greenie. Hold on, there's a bit of a scratch here. I'll take that out. There we go. Massive difference the other day. Yeah, bro, we smashed today. We smashed it today, man. We definitely got it done today, brother. 100%. And it feels good, bro. It feels really good getting this out the way. Well, not so much out the way, but you know, done, I would say. In the words of Proximus Caesar, what a wonderful day! Love the socks, thanks, Greenie. Man, I need to get my own Pokemon socks, man. I'm more of a Blastoise man myself. What else do I like? Blastoise, Gen 1 and Gen 2 bro, crafted the Infinity Gauntlet for sure. Yeah, Gen 1 and Gen 2 are hands down two of my favorite generations for sure. Let me just take that out. Wait. Take this out too. Just a little bit there. Mainly because those were the two games that I played the most of back in the day. Hey, thank you for that, brother. Bro, if you got any more bougie porridge recipes, my bro, hand them over if you like. But your majority of the time for breakfast, I'll just have protein. Yeah, I'm just trying to be more and more healthier by the day. Cardinal Sojo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too. Okay, I'm gonna change our view. I'm gonna put our camera up for a bit and talk to you guys. Ah, feels good, chat. Feels good getting that done. It definitely feels good. Yeah, bro, I guess I'm just sick of having it one way. You play on Game Boy? I wish I still had my Game Boy, to be honest. My mum bought me a Game Boy Color. Fuck, how long has it been? Like, my mum, wasn't the most well off. Like, I didn't expect, big things from my mum, but I remember the first thing she ever bought me that was really expensive was a Sega Mega Drive. Sega Mega Drive was the first thing she ever bought me, and being eternally grateful for that. I had my Mega Drive right up until like halfway through PlayStation 1. That's how long I had my Mega Drive for. And yeah, my mum ended up buying me a Game Boy, and bro, I kept that with me everywhere. And because my grandmother was a teacher, and I think one of the seniors actually stole my Game Boy Color, bro. I was so sad, eh? Because I had Pokemon Red and Silver. Those were my two games, and I played the absolute shit out of those two particular games. Because in saying that too, where I'm from, it's quite rural, and there was a point growing up there where we got snowed in for about 6 months. But like a week before the big snowstorm, I had bought like two huge ass boxes of batteries for my Game Boy. So I was pretty well off in terms of entertainment. And yeah, man, I just remember those two games, playing those all the time as a young buck, pretty much. And that's why I love those two generations the most. Yeah, I wish I still had my Game Boy Color, man. When you turn it on and you hear that sound, bling! Coom. I saw you on TikTok. Keep going strong, man. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah. Oh, bro, just hearing that little bing sound from the Game Boy Color. Oh, bro. So yeah, that's all we've done, guys. So we finished all that today. Thank goodness. The enjoying Pokemon art hits different. Yeah, I like the sprites from Gen 1 and Gen 2. Like, I prefer the old school sprite system to, the modern day ones. But I guess, it's a modern time now, and gotta keep up with the times too. But yeah, I still enjoy the old school sprites the most. Do you sell your products? I do commissions. So this isn't for sale. This is already going somewhere. I'll just go get my uncle's one actually. So if you are new here, this is ads. Okay, I'll wait. On the topic of Game Boy emulators, try to get your hands on PS Vita. Get a good description on how to, and it will be one of the best consoles. Oh, really? Need to get yourself an analog pocket, newer Game Boy. Oh, really? Ooh. Have you ever made a shield? Funny enough, I did have to make a shield for a 21st birthday, but it was very heavily Maori wood carving influence, pretty much. Yeah, I probably won't do Zelda's one though. So yeah, there's my uncle's one. So this is my uncle's one here to those that are new. I've shown it on stream multiple times. So this is the one he did before he passed away. Even there. And this is my one. So a little similar in terms of the shape, but I wanted to try and express myself more next to my uncle's work. Yeah. So yeah, that's this is what we've been doing for my uncle pretty much. And after that, we have a bigger carving to do. So this is an exclusive. I'm about to show you my setup outside. High tech stuff. I've got a laptop on a piece of wood. So that big piece of timber you see there, that's our neck one. Yeah, that's the next one. Yeah. So I'll go and put these inside. So yeah, that's what we've been up to as of late. So once I finish that paddle, I'll move on to this bigger piece. So what I got told what they wanted was just a big manaya, so just a big 2-dimensional form. I was like at first, but kind of got to do what they want. So that's going to be our next one. So it's going to be like boom, 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 boom for now. But in saying that too, that's a good thing. That's a good thing to have. Just ongoing instead of a slight pause in between pieces. For me, I like being on the go. It keeps me occupied. Your uncle would probably be proud of you. Yeah. That's all it is, really. Like, my cousins always said, like, me and another one of his students who's also my cousin too, he always said how proud he was of us, more than his own kids. And every time we would see him, like whether he was sober or drunk, he'd asked if we carved a meeting house in his name yet. But it was just a joke, but like you can't really do that until someone's passed. But now that he's passed away, it's just a little joke me and my bro have. I was like, oh well, looks like he's getting their meeting house named after him at some point. But yeah. As I mentioned too, like the last time I actually spent genuine time with my uncle was at my wedding. So my wedding day was the last time I actually saw him alive. He's in my wedding video too. They put him in there, especially for me. And it did suck seeing him there, like alive, you know. But once again, that's just life. Yeah, it's just a little joke. He was like, oh well, it looks like you're getting a meeting house named after you now that you're dead. And everyone just cracked up laughing because they knew the joke he would always say to us. So, dickhead. Fucking dickhead. But yeah, my uncle passed from a heart attack. He was young, relatively young. Like, really young. Which was quite a shock too. He did something he normally wouldn't do. He went home on his own. Normally he'd take someone with him. And he was pruning, he went to go prune his trees, if you get me. And yeah, they found him on the ground, like hours later. Yeah, they found him on the ground hours later at his home, and yeah, it all just like happened so fast, pretty much. But yeah, that's why I'm sending it on these, is for him. Like, always have a, you know, big love and respect for him, whether he's around or not. And yeah. How long have we been on for today, chat? My condolences. Appreciate the love, guys. How long have we been on so far? Surely 3 hours. I'm so glad we got that done, man. I'm so glad. I'm feeling a bit accomplished right now because we got all of it done. Just want to give you a big hug. Cheers, brother. What's the time? It's 11:11. Ooh. I always see that number every day. I don't know if it's good or bad, but yes, I see it more than usual. Chat, I might actually finish up. I hope we've hit the 3 hour quota. It's not a quota, it's just I want to stream more than 3 hours. So for now, wait, 5? Don't even feel like 5 hours. Have we been streaming for 5 hours? Wait, really? Did you misclick? Yeah, 3 hours in something sounds about right. Yeah. I think the bro might have misclicked. Yeah, I think he sausage fingered that one. 3 hours and 45. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I was gonna go, holy shit, I'm losing my marbles. Yeah, I think the bro fat fingered it. Nah, all good, all good. I do it too. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna finish up, guys. It's 11:12 here, and I've still got heaps of time to go spend with my kids. It's still a public holiday, so my kids are home. So it's time to go dead. I might take them to the arcade and destroy them at bowling. That sounds like a good plan. Yeah. Go destroy them at bowling. So much appreciated to everyone that showed up today. TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch as well. He's went pretty ham today. Like, I really, really appreciate all the aroha. Thank you very much. For now, yeah, I have to love and leave yous. Will I be live on my gaming channel tonight? I'm not sure. Maybe. Just, you know, follow it if you like the gaming stuff. If you don't like the gaming stuff, that's fine too. have fun humbling your kids, to be honest, Sobu. You know, in those animes, when they start going on X Games mode, yeah, that, right, no mercy when my kids challenge me, man. It's like, you're going down. Who's live, guys? Who's live? You gotta show them, eh? You gotta show them, shit. It goes back to that old saying, fuck around and find out. Alright, let's see who's on. I should really check. What's the sub count in? Can someone do exclamation mark subs? Jeez, how rude of me not to check that. Charities on. Hold on, I'm just going into the makers and crafting section. I'm a bit iffy about the art section on Twitch. It's majority of the time it's just, you know, anime front bums, ankles, that type of stuff. But I mean, if that's your thing, all power to you. I'd raid. Gosh, there's so many good ones, eh? There's so many good ones. 910. What the hell? Oh, Zolo's live? Oh, I'll just host my boy, eh? Yeah, let's just host my boy. Some of it is definitely sus, bro. Remember when they allowed nudity, sexualized drawings on Twitch? And, bro, everyone was just cock-bombing the shit out of their pieces, eh? I was like, holy fuck, man. Yeah, man, the cock meta was something else, I'll tell you that much. That's what I would always call it, the cock meta. Because as soon as they allowed that, bro, all I saw was furries or ladies with one, or just straight up veiny ones on, yeah, bro. Yeah, the cock meta was something else, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, thank you very much for today, guys. I am going to call it there. Is the raid popping up for you? Even my chat's laggy now. Holy. My chat's lagging out too, guys, so I can't even tell if I'm raiding or not. Oh, now it's come through. Oh. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining in today. I'm going to head out. Thank you very much for joining me. Much love. Crazy, crazy stream today on all platforms. I appreciate you all. Show some love to my boy Zolo. He's a GTA RP streamer. I am going to go be a dad now. Log out of everything and go destroy my kids in bowling. Have a good one. See you around. Bye. Bye, YouTube.